ná Cinderella is dead le Céilin Béron.
An leabhar tá méid léamh ná the falling in the montage.
An leabhar tá méid léamh ná Love Friendly by Jack Nicholson.
Even Stewart, we read a book which was about the Troubles in Northern Ireland called Lies of Silence.
An leabhar is fearr lumsa mé óg ná the famous five.
An gearscéal is fearlumm ná Polaris le H.P. Lovecraft.
So the last book I read was Eddie Hearn's book called Relentless. So it's basically about taking a boxing business over from his old man and how he brought it to the next level. And I really enjoyed it.
An leabhar is fearlumm ná The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes.
An leabhar is fearlumm ná The Van.
An leabhar is fearlumm ná Noughts and Crosses.
Missions are Katie agus an leabhar atá a léamh ag an faoi láthair ná Jodie Picoult, the fact taithníonn sé go mórdom is faoi rud ag an atá ag dul ar siúil sna cuairteanna.
An leabhar is fearlumm ná The Book Thief by Marcus Zusak.
I actually like to listen to the Joanne McNally and Vogue Williams podcast. I find it very funny and it's nice to listen to when I go for a walk just to switch off and unwind.
An leabhar is fearlumm ná An Outsiders by S.E. Hinton.
I have been to the theatre. I've been to the West End in London to see Billy Elliot. It was fantastic. The songs were very catchy and the dancing was unbelievable.
Is say Harry Potter an leabhar is fearlumm? Is say The Outsiders an leabhar is fearlumm?
Okay, my favourite book when I was younger was Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. I loved all the time travelling, thought it was so cool, and then I was so excited when all the movies came out. They're brilliant and I still really enjoy the books and the movies too.
Díobh tá an múbach síos má an Dogman agus tá an alum David Pelkey.
Okay.
An leabhar léime se le deireanaí ná Atomic Habits le James Clear. Is leabhar é seo faoi nós na maithe a chruthú dul tain. So chairg se lom feabhas a chuid ar mo chud colla, nós na ichecháin agus aclaíocht.
An leabhar is fearlumm ná I'm Glad My Mom Died. An leabhar is fearlumm ná Trash.
An podcast is fearlumm ná Opinions Matter.
Is é an leabhar is fearlumm ná This Is Going to Hurt le Adam Kay. Is leabhar é seo faoi scéalta in ospidéal atá scríofa ag doctor.
I've been to the theatre. I went to a Broadway show in New York over the midterm break. I went to see The Cursed Child and I thought the story was disappointing, but the production on the stage was brilliant, the set was brilliant, the costumes were brilliant, but the story was not great.
An leabhar is fearlumm ná The Hobbit